Morning light through the kitchen window, coffee warming up the room, barefoot steps down the hallway of the ordinary, perfect afternoon. Doors stay open, conversations linger, dinner runs a little long. It's the kind of place you don't rush through, where every day feels strong. It wasn't dressed up just to sell it, had something more you could tell. This one was done right from the inside out, not just pretty lights, trying to stand out. Every choice made with tomorrow in mind, built to last, built over time. It's peace of mind when you turn the key, knowing what's behind what you see. Yeah, this one was done right, feels like home already. Main floor nights when the day winds down, everything you need right here. Upstairs filled with growing stories, downstairs ready when life shifts gears. Room for guests, room for working late, room to change without starting over. It's a house that moves when life does, never boxed in, never smaller. It's not about chasing trends, it's about where real life begins. This one was done right from the inside out, not just fresh paint, trying to stand out. Every upgrade had a reason why, built to last, built to simplify. It's confidence you don't have to fake, no cross fingers, no mistakes. Yeah, this one was done right, feels like home already. Big yard, no rules, no whole room for dreams. We haven't named fire pit nights, summers out back, maybe a pool. We'll talk about that. Close to everything, still room to breathe. Feels like the future waiting on me. This one was done right, we can feel it now. Not just a house, it's a settle down kind of place you grow into, kind of choice you don't outgrow. It's the next step, the solid ground when you're done just looking around. Yeah, this one was done right, feels like home already. Some houses look good for a moment in time, some are built for the rest of your life. Morning light through the kitchen window, coffee warming up the room, barefoot steps down the hallway of the ordinary, perfect afternoon. Doors stay open, conversations linger, dinner runs a little long. It's the kind of place you don't rush through, where every day feels strong. It wasn't dressed up just to sell it, had something more you could tell. This one was done right from the inside out, not just pretty lights, trying to stand out. Every choice made with tomorrow in mind, built to last, built over time. It's peace of mind when you turn the key, knowing what's behind what you see. Yeah, this one was done right, feels like home already.